My kids have been to a number of summer camps over the years, but never anything of this caliber.
I feel so grateful to have been given this wonderful opportunity.
After the first day, David wanted to change one of his options to welding.
Welding isn't just a career to me, it's my passion.
The foundation is changing lives.
My daughter wants to get into fabrication, and she is just over the moon about the possibilities ahead of her. To see this kind of excitement over her future is amazing.